Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
With DJ Tommy G.
With DJ Tommy G.
89.5 radio, the way it should be.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. You heard it right. The Morning Brew Show. Wednesday edition of this radio program. I'm back. I had a little something yesterday. All right. So, welcome back to the Morning Brew Show. For those who just tuned in, hey, we are coming to you live from the #1 tourist destination in Central Luzon for 11 straight years now. Subic Bay Freeport Zone. All right. 10:50 is the time right about now. Time check brought to you by Royal Duty Free. Hey, tomorrow it's got to start the Stars and Stripes Selections promo in celebration of the American Independence Day, also Filipino-American Friendship Day. All right, here in the Philippines. So get ready for the Stars and Stripes selection at Royal Duty Free Shops. July 4, tomorrow to 18. Enjoy up to 20% off on selected imported items. Discover amazing deals on gourmet treats, premium spirits, and more. Celebrate the American Festival with exclusive discounts and elevate your shopping experience. Visit the Royal Duty Free Shops today and make the most of these fantastic offers. All right, they will be featuring all American products. All right, special American products, mga naging iconic like the Cherry Coca-Cola. Di ba? Nagtagal na yan, no? Yung Cherry Coca-Cola. An American all-star in the grocery section. Okay, so check it out. Simply check it out. Also, the Lacoste store is gonna be on sale up to 50% off on your favorite Lacoste items. Check out the Lacoste store. July 1 to 30, the Lacoste sale at Royal Duty Free Shops. Visit their social media pages or the official website www.royalsubic.com. You may also call 252-3258 for more details, the hotline number. On with today's holidays and observances and the famous birthday segment brought to you this time by Wawas Jr., Subic Bay Freeport branch, and the Lincoln Heights Subdivision branch. Okay? So if you want the best tasting flame-grilled quarter pounder burgers, yeah, they deliver. Yung masasarap na burger nila. I'll give you the hotline numbers for the delivery. For the Subic Bay Freeport Zone branch, it's 0927-895-9714. And for the Lincoln Heights Subdivision branch, 0927-950-8775. Okay? All right? Also, they're inviting you to check out the following Dinalupihan stores: Ka Filipina diners and eateries. Ka Filipina in Dinalupihan, Bataan. Taco Bataan also. Ma, I'm Hungry. All right? So, check out those stores whenever you're in Dinalupihan, Bataan. Okay? Or if you're heading there, or if you're headed for Manila and you happen to drop by, you guys check it out, the diners. Ma, I'm Hungry, Taco Bataan, and Ka Filipina. All right, on with today's holidays and observances and the famous birthday segment. Today is Women's Day in Myanmar. That's not really that far. It's also a Southeast Asian country. So happy Women's Day to all the women of Myanmar, okay? July 3 is also International Plastic Bag Free Day. All right? We've been trying to eliminate the plastic trash for a long time. Pero, alam mo, here's the thing, huh? Sa groceries, on groceries, and when you're buying stuff, the plastic bags, it's very useful, it's very important. I don't agree with eliminating the plastics on grocery stores and sa pamilihan. You know what I agree on, all right, is to put harsher, heavier penalties sa mahuhuli na magkakalat. Yung kalat na plastic nagbabara sa mga kanal, hindi kasalanan ng plastic yan eh. Ang may kasalanan yung taong nagtatapon. Yun, di ba? All right? Just like owning a gun, you blame the gun. But you're not gonna blame the man behind the gun. It's the man behind the gun whose fault. Sino yung may fault? Siya, di ba? Ganun lang yun. We've been eliminating plastics. Pero importante pag namimili ka, kailangan mo yun eh, di ba? You wanna be walking around the mall while you're hugging brown bags, di ba? Ang hirap, di ba? You have no freedom of movement sa kamay mo. Diba? Compare that to carrying a plastic bag. It's gonna be easier. What about people with arthritis, the older people? Mahirap no? They be walking around the mall hugging big brown bags. Ang hirap. You know, bakit ako relate? I got shoulder injury. Mahirap mag-walk around while hugging. Lalo na kung meron kang shoulder injury. Or for older people in general, they got arthritis. They got gout. Pahirap naman yon. Hindi kasalanan ng plastic kung nagkalat yan. Kasalanan ng taong nagtapon ng plastic. Since nai-example ko na rin lang yung plastic tsaka yung gun, here's my proposal. Pag may nahuli nagkakalat ng plastic, shoot them. Ewan ko kung hindi magsitigil sa pagtapon ng plastic yung mga yan. I'm just trying to be funny, but yeah, I'm trying to get the message across, right? Mm-hmm. Today is also what's this? Deep fried clams day. Something that's yummy finally. Stay out of the sun day. Lalo na kung hindi naman lagi, pero you know, we need the sunlight. We need the sunshine, you know? Sa katawan natin, our system needs it. But stay away from during the time that it has, you know, the sun rays has the harshest of effects to human. Okay? So stay out of the sun. Sabi ng experts yan yung mga around 10 to 11 a.m. up to mga 3 p.m. Ayan. The sun is the harshest. Pero sunshine in the morning, it's good for your body. Natural vitamin D. Okay? Superman Day also ang July 3, all right? Marks the day of the creation of Superman. All right? Today is also, you know, the date before the American Independence Day, July 4 yun, di ba? July 3 is American Redneck Day. I love the rednecks. They're fun. So much fun. All right, so there you have it. Just some of today's holidays and observances. July 3, 2024. And for those who are celebrating the birthdays today, this one's for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, movie and TV actress Sunshine Dizon, July 3, 1983. Also, movie actress Mimi Miyagi. All right, if you're not familiar with her, she is an actress in the films genre. That's my tropa's favorite movie genre ng mga tropa ko. Mimi Miyagi. She's an Filipino-American actress. You just Google if you're not familiar. July 3, 1973. All right, next up we have si Kuya Empoy. Kilala niyo to, di ba? Si Empoy Marquez, Filipino actor, comedian. All right. Next up we have do you guys know there's a basketball player who used to play for the UST Growling Tigers who goes by the name Karim Abdul. Kung merong Karim Abdul-Jabbar sa UST College, may naglarong Karim Abdul. And he was born July 3, 1992. Oh, he's just young. He's originally from Cameroon. All right. Next up we have Tom Cruise, the ageless action star, movie star Tom Cruise, among the top elite artists, Hollywood actors. Okay. July 3, 1962. Funny thing is, he made a movie called Born on the 4th of July. He starred in that movie, but he's actually born the 3rd of July. And among the other movies that became really popular, syempre kasama dyan yung Jerry Maguire, Risky Business, which catapulted him to superstardom. That movie, Risky Business. Mission Impossible series of movies, of course. Right? Turned 62 today. Grabe, no? 62 na pala si Tom Cruise. Kung titingnan mo, hindi mo kang 62 eh. Parang 61 lang. Ganyan. Next up, we have Andrea Barber. TV actress Andrea Barber. You probably know her as Kimmy Gibbler in Full House. There you go. All right. And in 2016, Netflix followed up the series to Full House with Fuller House. Her included as well. Pop singer Elle King. You guys remember the song X and O's, which was nominated for 2 Grammys in 2016? X and O's by Elle King. Let's play that song a little later because it's her birthday. She turns 35 today. Next up, we have Patrick Wilson of the Conjuring film franchise. All right. Insidious, Little Children, Watchmen. Nalilinya sa horror. Turns 51 today. Next up, we have TV and movie actress Olivia Munn. She was in the film Magic Mike. HBO series The Newsroom, the comedy Ride Along 2. All right, and lastly, entrepreneur Julian Assange, WikiLeaks founder who exposed the secret files of many countries, creating havoc in the international intelligence community. That's how big he is. He was controversial, and once upon a time he was, he needed to hide. I don't know if he's still in hiding. 53 today. All right, so there you have it, celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them. July 3, birthday celebrants. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Your turn. You guys tell me who's celebrating the birthdays today. All right, text me up 0910-6909-501. That's the text digits, official text digits for this radio show. Hey, text me up. All right. A couple of my friends celebrating their birthdays today. Happy birthday sa inyo, sa mga sumusunod. Si Kuya Joseph Merto Mirador. All right. He's actually my classmate back in high school. That was a long time ago. All right. So Kuya Joseph, happy birthday ha. Have a good one. All right. Ito naman kaklase ko rin dati sa college naman. Si Kuya Sunny Ferrer. Happy birthday pare ko. Kamusta ka na? I hope you're doing fine, huh? And for those who are in need of, steel doors, yung mga screen doors, window panes, window thingy. Metal and aluminum works. Ayan. You guys call him or contact him. Hindi ko alam yung pangalan kasi nung shop mo Pero yeah, remember the name. Now a name, soon a legend. Sunny G. Ferrer. Just look him up on Facebook for those services that I mentioned. Ayan, okay? Next up we have Mr. Jerome Montero. Si Kuya Jerome. Pare ko, napakagaling, napaka-talented na mama. Napakagaling na guitarist. And he's part of the my most favorite band in the world, the Brown Candles Band. Kasama ni Kuya Kiko. Kuya Jerome, happy birthday ha. Yan. Pag may handaan sabihin mo ako, punta ako. Also si Ate Jenny Rimando. Yan. Happy birthday din sa iyo Ate Jenny ha. She's also one of my classmates back in high school. Dalawa kayo ni Kuya Joseph. Mga classmate ko nagbe-birthday ngayon ha. Happy birthday Ate Jenny M. Rimando. All right? I miss you. Miss ko na yung jamming natin sa mahilig din kumanta to Kaya pareho kaming sumasayaw. So happy birthday again Ate Jenny. And lastly, si Madam Charina Lacson Largoza of Nellie E. Brown Elementary School. All right? Happy birthday sa iyo, Madam. Have a good one. Enjoy. All right? So there you have it. Celebrities and the likes. And my friends celebrating their birthdays today. Happy birthday to you guys. Okay? And here's another birthday celebrant, Elle King, with her song X and O's. 895 Subic Bay Radio.